It's just so important for me to not get burnt out and to really be with the people I love, which is my family. And so this is why we're here at Waldorf Astoria Cancun, to recharge, relax, and make some unforgettable memories. Hello there, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to my stay at Waldorf Astoria Cancun. Come check out the 9 things I brought with me. I am a first-generation Chinese American living in Los Angeles. I have a family, I have a beautiful 5-year-old son. I have a business in LA that I just opened, I'm super proud of. And I've been a digital creator for the last 10 years. The first item is my sheet mask. This is something I love to bring with me on every single trip because after the plane ride, my skin just feels so dehydrated. I need to perk it up. So a sheet mask right after I land and check into the hotel is so necessary. Some ways I incorporate self-care into my travel routine is looking for a property that has a beautiful spa with amazing skincare, facials, massages. And my next item, my sunglasses. These are my favorite pair. I love it because they're so stylish, sleek, they go with everything, and I have to have it whenever I go visit the beach or the pool. My personal style is minimal, effortless, and elegant. I like to keep my wardrobe to key pieces that are really versatile, functional, but stylish, just so that, I can easily get dressed day to day, but feel polished and refined. Okay, for a stunning property like this with the most beautiful, stylish restaurants, I have to have my evening bag for all of my looks. It barely even holds my phone, but who needs a phone when you're going out and having fun and enjoying a nice dinner with company you love? It's a versatile color, goes with all of my neutral outfits, and it's just so easy to carry. My best tip for packing efficiently while traveling is to stick to a color palette. So for this trip, I chose neutrals, particularly ivory, some brown tones, so that when I'm packing accessories like my bag or my shoes, I can pack just one of each so that it goes with everything. A little something I love to always bring with me is my travel perfume. It's this little guy. It's in a handy little beautiful case, and I love it because I've been wearing this for years and I just want to feel like myself whenever I'm on a trip. Scents are so integral into the experience we have because, a scent can transport you instantly somewhere, right? When I smell a sea breeze, I'll instantly think back to my time here at Cancun. When I smell jasmine, I'm instantly transported to my childhood. So it is really beautiful to have a memento such as a fragrance or a scent to remember a beautiful time. Whenever I travel with my family, I will always bring my tripod so that we can take our family pictures and we can take it wherever we go. I always look for places that are aesthetically pleasing, that has architecture that I really appreciate so that it's easy for me to create the content I want to create. My favorite space to create content here is definitely the lobby. It has such grand ceilings, beautiful details of the pillars and walls all around, such different textures. It's really magnificent to be in that space. What I also always bring with me are my vitamins. I keep them in these cute little magnetic vitamin packs. They're very easy to carry with me in my purse. I like to keep my vitamin C, my vitamin B handy just because I can't let a sniffle or anything like that hold me back from enjoying my vacation. I love to go eat out at restaurants where locals go. I love to shop at boutiques where I can find local designers. It's just really fun to be able to actually ingrain myself and my family into the culture we're in and take those memories back home. My next item is my matcha. I love taking this handy little tin with me everywhere because it is my form of caffeine, my energy. I need it to stay energized throughout the day so I can explore as much as I can. I even take my matcha bowl and whisk with me whenever I travel. This is actually such a nice thick glass. It's dropped on the floor so many times in so many rooms, but it's so sturdy. Ever since I was young, tea has been such a big part of my family's culture. So bringing my matcha is like bringing a part of my childhood, it's being part of who I am into my everyday. It's also like bringing a part of my superette with me. I love what I do at Swa Superette, so this is a great little reminder to have when I'm away. My next item that I pack with me are my silk loungewear pieces. I love them because they are so comfortable. It has a relaxed silhouette while still having such an elevated, luxurious touch of silk on your skin, so it's super comfortable. The most comfortable space at the hotel for me is my balcony. I love the ocean views. I can hear the sound of the waves crashing in the daytime and at night when I'm sleeping. And I just find so much peace just being able to go out in my bathrobe, sit on the chair, and enjoy a nice cup of tea. I love going to the pool wherever I go, so my last and final item is my beach cover-up. This is a beautiful piece. I love the pattern and the colors because it goes with everything in my wardrobe that I packed for this trip. It's easy to style this in so many ways. Like I can actually wear this as a dress if the mood strikes. And I can also wrap this around my waist in so many ways, like making it a short or long skirt. It's just really beautiful. Fashion is one of my passions, so I love discovering local fashion wherever I travel. I go to concierge and I ask them like where are the local shopping boutiques that I can go to, what parts of town I can visit to find local designers and bring a beautiful piece home as a memento of my trip. Traveling can always be a little stressful, but planning ahead and going in with an open heart and open mind will leave you with the best memories. Thank you for joining me at Waldorf Astoria and helping me unpack my 9 things. We'll see you next time.